the Gospel of Matthew chapter 28 verse 16 to 20, Jesus gave His disciples a mission to go out, lead people toward goodness, and never be afraid because He will always be with them. Just like the disciples, the men and women in uniform also carry a mission every day to serve, protect, and stand for peace and justice. Being a police officer is not only about authority and uniform, but also about courage, sacrifice, and compassion for the people. Sa kabila ng panganib at hirap ng tungkulin, patuloy silang tumatayo para sa kapakanan ng bayan. Tulad ng pangako ni Jesus, I am with you always. This reminds every police officer that they are never alone in fulfilling their duty. May this gospel inspire our police officers to continue serving with integrity, humility, and faith in God, because true service begins with a heart willing to protect others with love and honor.